You have Zotero on your computer, and now you want to know how to use it. I'm going to walk you through the steps. I have 395 articles that match my search. Now, for Zotero to work, we need the icon to be up here at the top of Chrome. Now, depending on what you're looking at, this icon will change. If I click on the title of an article, then Zotero changes to a white piece of paper. This indicates that Zotero already knows this is a scholarly journal and will capture everything that we need. So when I click on the white piece of paper, notice that it is saving it to my folder, it's saving all the citation information that I'll need, and it's saving the EBSCO full text. This means that I will have that PDF, my own copy, on my computer and in the Zotero cloud. I won't have to come back into the database to find the article again. This is going to save me a lot of time. Now, once it's in Zotero, then it's time to actually read it. After you've collected all the articles that you want for your paper, then you can start reading it. Now, the best way to see what you have for a journal article is to click on the arrow. You'll see that in the Info tab, we have that the item type is a journal article. Here's the title of the journal. Here are our authors, the abstract, the name of the publication, volume, issue, page numbers, the year, and the DOI. That's all great, right? But what about that PDF? Well, when we double-click on the EBSCO full text, then we get this. And this is our own copy to mark up or to copy and paste quotes that we want to use in our paper. Let's say that I want to use this phrase in my paper. I'm going to select it and then do Control-C. If you're using a Mac, you will use Command-C to copy. I'm going to minimize this and then go to my Notes tab in Zotero. I'm going to add a note. Once I get this screen, I just do Control-V and I paste that quotation in my notes. Now, we do want to have the page number at the front of the quote, and find it now while we have the document open. This will save us a lot of stress at 2 a.m. when we're trying to finish up. Notice that this is on page 289. Okay, now I have the page number and the direct quote. You will continue reading your EBSCO full text and making notes. Make sure that you get the page number every time. This will save you so much trouble. Now I'm going to minimize Zotero. After I've taken all my notes and I'm ready to write, it's time to open Word. This is the template that John David put on the Writing Support LibGuide on the library homepage. So I'm just going to use his example. Now, if I want to put a quote into my paper and then cite it, I will do it like this. I'm going to click here and put a space so that I can put my direct quote. Going back to Zotero and to my notes, I can, again, copy and paste this quotation. This saves me a lot of typing. I'm going to right-click to paste, and when I paste, I want to make sure that it matches the formatting that's already in the document. So I'm going to merge the formatting. That's not a Zotero trick, that's just a Word trick. Okay, so I have my quote. Now it's time to use Zotero to put in the in-text citation. I click on Add Edit Citation. Once Zotero opens the Add Edit Citation box, I'm going to click on the article that I want to cite from. I click the arrow and I can see my notes and my EBSCO full text. I know that this is my quote, so I know that this is page 289. I put my page number in this box and then make sure that the article title is what is highlighted. Click OK. Here you can see the in-text citation with the page number 2089. We will continue doing this throughout the paper. To create the references page, make sure that you have references or works cited centered. Then you're going to put your cursor over where you want that to start. Make sure that it is left justified. Now we're clicking on our Zotero tab, clicking the second icon, Add Edit Bibliography. And this is going to create our citation in the citation style that we have asked for. Make sure that you check the capitalization of the article title, volume number, issue number, page number, DOI. For APA, there is no period after the DOI. If you're doing MLA, there is a period after the DOI. All right, so that's how to use Zotero from start to finish. Obviously, I've gone very fast, but if you have further questions, please contact us at the Cannon Memorial Library.